Roughly 7,000 probationary workers with the Internal Revenue Service are expected to lose their jobs this week. It's the newest round of federal layoffs by the Trump administration.
And this comes less than 2 months before tax day. So how will this affect your filing and possible refund? Arman Rahman joins us now with the answers.
I spoke to tax professionals and they tell me they don't expect the layoffs to have too much of an impact on you filing your tax return as long as you do it efficiently and as soon as possible. In fact, right now. Kim Ginther with Micro CPAs says, as always, the closer to deadline you file, the longer it takes to process and get your refund. And she says that'll definitely be the case after these layoffs. And now, more than ever, it's better to select a direct payment and direct deposit for your return rather than paper checks.
We've seen delays, pretty much since COVID had started. And with this new layoff, it most likely will increase those wait times for those refund checks.
You also want to make sure your tax return is not rejected for something like a PIN or an adjusted gross income number that doesn't match the previous year. That will require you or your tax professional to correspond with the IRS, and Ginther says that could take longer too now with layoffs.
It's like the payroll tax credits, when we've been inquiring about those or responding to a notice related to them, it can take anywhere from 4 to 6 months just to hear back.
Tax attorney Emily Ott says most of the layoffs have been contained to the IRS's small business division, some of her clients.
Even if you are a small business, from what I'm hearing, there's no reason to be deviating from your normal tax preparation and filing practices.
This year, Madison Public Library offers free tax help at the Lakeview, Sequoia, Central, and Meadow Ridge locations by appointment. Ott says it's always wise to have professionals look over your work.
I would say being more proactive is something that the taxpayer should start to consider, at least as we move forward throughout the current administration.
This year, the experts also recommend to watch the progress of your tax return with the IRS's free online Where's My Refund tool. Reporting in Madison, Arman Rahman, News 3 Now.